Hello everyone, hello dear friends, welcome to the channel ESL Games and Teaching Tips. This video is the first one in a series of videos, 1-minute teaching tips from Jenny White. Every Monday I will share a teaching tip that will help you to be an amazing teacher. And you have to be an amazing teacher because your students' happiness depends completely on your mood. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Nope, forget it. It's stupid and dangerous to think like this, because if the teacher is miserable and unhappy and exhausted, where can the energy to inspire the students come from? That is why the hero of the day today is this yoga mat. My best friend, I call it Pinky. I use it every day in my office just to lie down and have 10 minutes for myself. Whatever happens, whatever is going to happen, just lie down, relax, breathe. Have 10 minutes of teacher self-care. It will help you restore your energy level and keep up the good work all through the day. Well, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with our future videos. And see you next week on the channel ESL Games and Teaching Tips with Jenny White.